Let's talk about independent and dependent variables. Well, first off, a variable to review is usually some letter that represents a number. And early on, when we started with variables, we were often solving for those variables, meaning if I had x plus 3 equals 10, I would have to have x equaling 7 for this to work out, for this to make sense. But what if we have two variables? Let's say x plus 3 equals y. Well, we could plug in any number and see what we get. And the number we plug in will be the independent variable. Let's try 0. If x is 0, then y is going to have to be 3, because 0 plus 3 is 3. If x is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. If x is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. Our independent variable is what we're starting with, and our dependent variable is what comes out of it, what the result is, what is dependent on the first letter. Most of the time, x is independent, y is dependent. You can mix that up. You'll probably never see y as independent and x as dependent, but there might be some math books that will throw that at you just to try to trick you. And so just think independent is what we're starting with. Dependent depends. The number depends on the first one. And that's the thing to remember for independent and dependent variables.